Hello everyone! Today in this video we are going to learn about the Northern Mountains. My name is Prisha'sFunClub and I am a student. If you're here for the first time and you want to learn from my channel, then do consider to subscribe and smash that bell icon there. Let's get started! The word Himalayas means abode of snow, as a large part of this is covered with snow throughout the year. The Himalayas include the Karakoram, the northeastern mountain ranges. The Himalayan range is the highest range in the world. The northern mountains include some of the highest peaks in the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak, while Mount Godwin-Austen is the second highest peak in the world. Some of the important peaks in the northern mountains include Mount Everest, Mount Godwin-Austen, also known as K2, Kanchenjunga, Makalu, Dhaulagiri, Annapurna, Nanda Devi and Nanga Parbat. Do you know? Tenzin Norgay and Edmund Hillary were the first to climb Mount Everest in 1953. The first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest was Bachendri Pal in 1984. The Himalayas consists of three parallel ranges. They are the Greater Himalayas, also known as Himadri, the Middle Himalayas, also known as Lesser Himalayas, Lower Himalayas, Inner Himalayas and Himachal. The Outer Himalayas, also known as Shiwalik. The Greater Himalayas is the northernmost Himalaya and the highest range in the Himalayas. The peaks of this range are always covered with snow, as you see. Therefore, they give rise to a number of glaciers. Do you know what a glacier means? A glacier means slow rivers of ice. Several rivers such as Ganges, Indus and Yamuna originate from these glaciers. The rivers Ganga and Yamuna originate from the Gangotri and Yamunotri glaciers. The Middle Himalayas is situated in the south of the Greater Himalayas. Though the peaks of this range are not as high as the Greater Himalayas, some of them are still covered with snow. The Middle Himalayas consist of forest-covered mountains and fertile valleys. A valley is a low-lying area between two mountains or hills. The major valleys of the Middle Himalayas are Kangra and Nainital. This range is famous for various hill stations such as Mussoorie, Shimla, Kullu and Manali. The Outer Himalayas is the southernmost range. It is also the lowest range in the Himalayas. Now let's learn about the rivers. Several rivers originate from the northern mountains, like the Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus, Satluj and Ghagra. This is the Ganga river and this is the Yamuna river. Now let's learn about the passes. A pass means a route through a mountain. People use passes to cross a mountain. The word La means pass. Some of the important passes in the northern mountains are Zojila, Khardungla, Changla, Baralachala, Shikila, Rohtang Pass, Natula. So the highest motorable road, which is at the height of 18,380 feet, is at Khardungla. The northern mountains have a major effect of climate in our country. They form a barrier for the monsoon winds. They also cause heavy rainfall of the states in the region. Now this part is the Himalayan range. The Greater Himalayas witness extreme cold. During winters, the temperature dips below the freezing point. The Middle Himalayas have a summer temperature of around 17 degrees Celsius. People visit the hill stations in this range during summers for pleasant weather. The Shiwaliks are at a height of 1250 meters above sea level. So it's not very cold at this area, but they get heavy rainfall. Now let's learn about the vegetation. There is a sparse vegetation in the Greater Himalayas. These include shrubs, mosses, lichens and wildflowers like blue poppies and edelweiss. The natural vegetation of the Middle Himalayan range include pine, oak, poplar, walnut, spruce, fir, cypress, juniper and birch. This region also has many orchards like apples, cherries, plums, peaches, pears and almonds. The forest areas of the Terrace region have been cleared to grow crops such as rice, wheat and sugarcane. The slopes of this range are used for agricultural purposes. This type of farming is known as terrace farming. Do you all like animals? Then let's learn about the animals in the northern mountains. Yaks, goats, snow leopards, musk deer and wild sheep are some of the wildlife in the northern mountains. The forest regions of the Middle Himalayan range have tigers, rhinoceros and a varieties of deer. The forest regions of the Outer Himalayas have hyenas, jackals, elephants and tigers. There are many natural parks and wildlife sanctuaries such as the Rajaji National Park and Jim Corbett National Park. Now let's learn the tricks to remember the Himalayan ranges. Kal Jana Padega Desh Se. Kal is for Karakoram, is for K. Jana is for Z, Zaskar. Padega is for P, Pirpanjal. Desh, D, Dhauladhar. Se, S, Shiwalik. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was useful. If you're here for the first time and you want to learn from my channel, then do consider to subscribe and smash that bell icon there.